Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study about SKP command. First of all, I will put my instruction name here. In previous lecture we discussed about that MC and MCE command. In this ladder already we discussed, and now we are discussed about SKP and SKPE command. I will start this one SKPE command. You can choose it from here also, and also you can write it here and you can see this command. And this line we will first we will put the signal and any number, and now our command is ready. This I will delete the line, this one now, and also when you go to the help you can see this one what he says. SKP loop number N0 to 127 and cannot be used repeatedly. There are total 128 SKP loops N0 to 127. Every skip start instruction SKP N must correspond to a skip end instruction. This one SKP single can't run. This will be running both, means SKP and SKPE instruction, which has the same loop number as skip n. They must always be used as a pair, and you should also make sure that the SKPEN instruction is after the SKPN instruction. When the skip control EN enabled 0, then the skip start instruction will not be executed. What he says, when this function will be 0, this will be any program in between this instruction you designed that will be not executed. When the skip control enabled is to 1, the range between the SKPN and SKPEN, which is so called the skip active loop area, will be skipped. That is, all the instructions in this area will not be executed. Therefore, the status ES of the discrete of registers in the skip active loop area will be retained. Now I will explain you in the ladder diagram how we can use that one and how this works. Click it OK. This is your skip instruction, and here for example this program, simply Control C, and here I will make Control V, and this I will delete from here. See this area, this also line we can delete by enter, and here I will use that one function, same SKPE command, end of skip loop. Okay, and that number you have to be must choose that. If you choose 6 number, you have to be choose it here also 6, otherwise this will be never work. For example, this small program I created in this area from here to N017 to N020, and that's I will make the start simulation and run PLC. That ignores, can ignore this one. This will be showing only for that one. For example, see, sorry, one more have to be, we put here one any execution yani here. For example, x0 I put, x0 I put. See, when I make it on, M900 it will be not run. As I make it on, and when you make it on M800, M900, M800, maybe upside we used that one, maybe in double instruction coming. This we used in M800, M900. We use double, because if we use double, that will be never work. So stop PLC, and that line also you have to be deleted. And now again go to the simulation. Let's see, already we are showing about this is the error, but we continued after this problem. See, now make it when I make it on, it's not executed because of why? This is your SKP command is now active. As you make it in inactive, off, your after command will be work. Off first, on, on. That Y0 is also, I think so, used upside, or what we will. Why this instruction not going to setting? This way you have to be check. Stop the control, and this first we will choose. Delete that one. Also delete one, and here we will take one. M1000. If upside were not used, M1002, and then run PLC. Upside why not used M1000, right? Now we again check this area. See, here is off. Now your M1000 is on because of this area. From this area now skipped. As we make it on, our this M900 will be not run. See, now it's running. Off, it's working. As we give this signal, after this, if you make it on, but your output will be never executed because of from this area to this area your program is skipped. This X0 or internal memory M0, that can be any signal of field. For example, you are making for any important program where you like to this area complete skipped, yani when this signal will came, this area will be stopped, not running. After you can use this skip loop. This is also used in for latch and unlatch. Make it off and see, this is your is on. As you make it off, it will be off. When this signal is came, that will be never run. I hope you understand this command. If you not understand anything, you can send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. From here to 0, 15 to how much long, which area you make this ladder diagram, that will be not executed without this permission. As you make it this execution, after when you make it on, it will be signal is on, but your out will be not on. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.